All right, so it hasn't felt too much like summer this week, but we know those hot temperatures are coming. It is going to get hot. It is going to get humid over the next couple of months in the Carolinas. And whether you put your makeup on and you head to work or you put it on for a night out, you want it to stay looking nice, which is really hard when the weather is so hot. It just melts right off of your face. So who do we turn to when we need help? Charlton from Jeffre Scott Apothecary always gives us great advice. Hey, Charlton, how are you?
Hey, how are you? I'm great.
Good, good. I'm glad to see you. So obviously we have to start with a fresh face, right? We want to cleanse, and then we need a good primer, you say.
Right, yes, because you know what? You want to start with a clean palette. Even though that you might wash your face at night before you go to bed, during the summer months, we often perspire. We don't wash our hair as much, so we can get a little dirty while we sleep. So always start with a fresh, clean, hydrated face. So then you're going to go into a primer. There's lots of different primers out there. I really suggest using something that's going to give you a little bit more illumination for the summer so you can be bright. Amazing Cosmetics makes a really great primer. It's going to even out the texture of your skin. And it's also going to allow the makeup and whatever you put on not to absorb into your face throughout the day.
We have to boogie.
Step one.
All right, so step two, we're going to have to boogie through this because we're running out of time. But step two, you say we have to change our foundation in the summer. Maybe not use that same old liquid that we always use.
Right, exactly. So if you're using a heavy liquid or a cream to give you that full coverage, try foregoing that and use a mineral makeup. Susan Posnick makes a really great mineral makeup that is not your old plastic mineral makeup where it's like heavy molecules. It's very finely milled. It's going to sit into your face and blend in, and it's buildable coverage. Componentry, she's got it in a pod form, so you can use a brush, or you can travel with it and touch up throughout the day just to absorb any extra oils.
Love that.
Makeup, got a little phone call. Makeup is absorbs, and mineral makeup specifically is will absorb the skin. Sorry, I got a little phone call. But we're busy. We've been really busy since we reopened.
Well, let me quickly, before we run out of time, let me quickly, 30 seconds, ask you about mascara, because I tend to get it. It starts to fall down into my eyes. I look like a raccoon.
Yes, mascara. So you want to sell a mascara that is going to coat it almost like kind of like an M&M. So versus just kind of like sitting on top, it's going to coat tube so you can go swim. Rilla Still makes a really great one. Blink also makes one. There's a lot of, so think about tubing technology. So if you rub your eyes, it's not going to get anywhere. And to finish off any look, use a setting spray. Coola makes an SPF 30 setting spray. It's like a water that just mists all of your face. You can reapply throughout the day. It's always going to keep your makeup looking fresh.
We love you, Charlton. We are out of time, but you sent us really good info that we'll have
Sorry.
Callie